So now y'all, here I am back with another video, man. Today we got some more 392 swap content for y'all. I had already recorded this intro, but all the audio had got corrupted, so here I am out in the code remaking an intro for y'all. I had did some slight mods to the charger. I'm gonna just roll the clips in right here. I got a Srt Airbag and some windshield wipers because I don't have windshield wipers, so I can't drop my shit in the rain. But as you can see, I'm finna fucked up. I got this regular Dodge steering wheel. I mean, it's nice and all, but hold on, let me get the SRT one. I can already imagine the SRT one on there. Ooh-wee. I got this boy for the low. Yeah, before y'all continue with this video, turn y'all volume up, son. My audio has been messed up because I've been recording on my phone. And I dropped it, and I guess my microphone messed up. So, turn y'all volume up all the way. Got a good deal on it. Let me know if y'all want to buy my Dodge one. See, y'all could, you know, y'all could get the point. Look at that. All you really gotta do is get like a, well, all you gotta do to take off the airbag is get something sharp, or not sharp, like a stick or something. Stick it into these little holes on the side, on both sides. But first, you gotta pop your trunk. But I'm about to put these windshield wipers on real quick. It's just 2 bolts. Loosen that up with the 10 mil, and we'll just pop off. Dang. Leave that to the side. And I'm gonna try to take off. I'm gonna try to put on these windshield wipers. Hopefully these fit, cause these 2020 Scatpack, windshield wipers. Hopefully the wiper's good too. Shit, let's get to it. I don't even know. I think they go like that. Yeah. Alright, so I got the windshield wipers on. Just a 15 millimeter socket, 2 bolts, and you put the little caps on. I ain't gonna lie, them boys ugly as hell. They ugly. I like the clean look, but shit, I need them. So let's see if they work. Hopefully they work. Nah, I'm gonna be pissed. Oh, I ain't even got power. My goofy ass. I'm gonna just leave it like that, and I'm gonna take this airbag off and get to putting the SRT airbag on. Boy, Luis over there cleaning out the SRT. But I'm gonna get this airbag off, and I'm gonna get back to y'all. And so as you see, I'm over here sticking the rod in the hose. I cannot get this airbag off. I'm gonna just keep on trying this shit. I've done it before on a different car. I don't know why I can't get mine off. I'm gonna just keep on trying. I have to get that boy Luis, the certified mechanic, over here to get that shit off. Cannot get that shit off. Every time I take one side out, the other side pop back in. I'm confused. Ooh, good Camaro. Oh yeah, good airbag. Good 5.7 coming on the block. That boy nice. For these airbag plugs, you just pull the little orange things up and you just pull on them. Let me go ahead and put the camera down. Alright, so I got the new SRT bag on. I went ahead and plugged everything up. Blue to blue, orange, yellow to yellow, and the black plug. And now I'm about to just go ahead, put it on. Here goes nothing. Dang, hold on. There it is. I have to bang that boy on there. But now I'm about to plug my battery in and hope my shit don't blow up. And hope my shit don't blow up. And hope everything works. Battery's in. Let's see if everything works. Oh damn. Every time you unplug the battery, the SRT page goes away and the shit turns blue. Turned blue, I'm pissed. Well, let's see if my horn works. Dude. SRT bag is in. That shit looks way better than the Dodge one. That shit looks fire. Let me know if anybody wanna buy. instead of my wheels. You can see it should look way better. Put the grill on there. That dog with the what I thought. Put the grill on there. Got the wheels. That boy look good. And I done ran out of storage. I have to gotta switch to another phone. But let's see if these windshield wipers work properly. Yeah, they work. Let's see if they ain't doing no weird shit. Damn, them boys hanging over the roof. Oh man. And so what I'm finna do right now is I'm gonna swap out these wheels. I ain't think I was gonna end up doing that right now or today. Well, I'm gonna do that. I already got the car up in the air on jack stands. As y'all know, my boy got the Daytonas on his car. I'm gonna put all four on my car and put my front two on his. He's gonna put his race stars in the rear. Yeah, so I got the wheels off, you know, slicks, you know, some light for real. Now I'm like, look how messed up these wheels is. These boys got chunks coming out that motherfucker. My shit dirty. I'm finna hit the car wash right now too. My boy Noe. NBS Salas, NBA, NBS Gay Bob. Nah, I'm just playing. Got my boy David in the Ram. Big Hemi. Big single cab Ram. Alright, y'all, so we got the rear two wheels on. Man, that should look fire. I like these wheels way better than the front ones. Got the nice deep concave, and now my shit look meaty from the back. Alright, y'all, so I got the Daytonas on all around. Here's what it's looking like. As you can see, we got a little lineup going. We got the SRT Jeep posted up. Got the 300 in the driveway. Got that boy Noe in the back, looking goofy. Got the Scats posted up back to back. And we got my boy ISO. You said what? Alright, you got my boy ISO, new Mustang. He just got it. He trying to run it, but he has to break the 500 miles. So this is just like a little teaser. So let me know what y'all think. The Mustang gonna take the Scat Charger, or the Scat Charger gonna take the Mustang? I don't know. I rode in it. It feels good. I feel like we're gonna be neck and neck, but you never know. It's brand new. Y'all can check out his YouTube channel at ISO, ICESO. So I don't know what I'm about to get into. He might hit the wash or something, but that boy at least they're putting an amp in his trunk, so he got some bang. Yeah, we got all three wheels posted up on the block. The intimidation's real. After whoever wins the Mustang, well, first I'm finna race this bitch right here. I've been trying to get next to this bitch right here. Nah, but we're gonna do a nice little fun video. We're gonna race all the ways. We're gonna race the Jeep, the SRT on the slicks. We racing everything. Alright, y'all, so let me know what y'all think of the SRT Airbag. As you can see, this airbag looks 100 times better in my opinion. Way better than the Dodge one. I love the way this bag looks. But you know, it's a nice slight little mod. We also did the windshield wipers, but I gotta adjust those because as y'all seen, it's kind of hitting the roof like just a little bit. But I'm probably just gonna get some windshield wipers off a regular 08 Charger, because as y'all know, those are Scatpack wipers. Damn, my screen dirty as hell. But let me know if y'all ready to see that race between me and the Scatpack Charger versus bro and the red 5.0 Mustang that he just got. I'm gonna just go ahead and say it. I feel like the race gonna be neck and neck because that car feels good riding in it, but it really just depends on the driver, you know. Use the paddles, put it in track mode, all that. But let me know who y'all think gonna win down in the comments below. But it ain't no competition, we're just running it for fun. I'm gonna try to get all my boys, you know, everybody in the Mopar community around me to line up for fun. And, you know, make a nice little video for y'all while the weather's still decent, because it's winter finna hit and it's gonna be cold as hell. And then when winter hit though, it's time for wrap. I'm finna wrap my whole car. I already got the wrap, but y'all gotta stay tuned for that. If y'all follow me on Instagram, y'all would have seen that. But y'all gotta stay tuned for that. Well, I ain't sure I had the color, but y'all wouldn't know that I got my wrap already. So follow me on Instagram. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video. Stay tuned for more. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.